Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make the best lime margarita. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 ounces of 100% agave tequila, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, and 3/4 of an ounce of agave nectar. Don't forget a ½ ounce of premium orange liqueur. These precise measurements ensure a perfectly balanced drink every time. Let's get started. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to mix. Pour the tequila, fresh lime juice, agave nectar, and orange liqueur into a cocktail shaker. Fill the shaker about 2/3 full with ice. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for 15 to 20 seconds. This ensures your margarita is perfectly chilled and slightly diluted, creating a smooth texture. Before pouring, prepare your glass. Take a lime wedge and moisten the rim of your chilled coupe or rocks glass, then dip it into fine sea salt. This adds a delightful savory contrast. Strain your perfectly mixed margarita over fresh ice in the prepared glass. Finally, garnish with a fresh lime wheel for an elegant touch and an extra burst of citrus aroma. And there you have it, the ultimate lime margarita. Take a moment to appreciate the vibrant color and inviting aroma. Each sip delivers a harmonious blend of sweet, tart, and savory notes, with a wonderfully smooth finish. This recipe consistently produces one exceptional drink. Enjoy your masterpiece responsibly, whether you're unwinding after a long day or celebrating with loved ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.